If you want to get iPhone ringtone on Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, first of all, we're just gonna go to the Play Store. And then in here, we need to download an app that allows us to get the iPhone ringtone. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose the search option at the bottom. Then we're gonna use the search field at the top. And we can type iPhone ringtone. There we go. Then you should be able to find a couple of different apps that at least in theory should allow you to get the iPhone ringtone. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. I'm gonna install this one. I'm gonna show you how to use this one in order to get the iPhone ringtone. But of course, feel free to try any other app that you can find in the Play Store in case you don't like this one or if it doesn't work for you. So once we have the app installed, we should be able to, of course, open it. Of course, you might see some ads in the meantime, but the app is free. Of course, grant permissions to all of these necessary things so that the app can actually change the ringtone for you. And then in here, on the left side, we have the play button, so we can just take a listen and check out which ringtone we would like to use. Once you find the ringtone that you want to use, then you can tap on these three dots on the right side. Then over here, we're gonna use the ringtone button. Of course, we have an ad again. And then we should see this message that we have set the ringtone successfully. So just to verify that, we're gonna open settings. Then over here, we're gonna open sound and vibration, and let's slightly change the ringtone volume. And there we go, it is indeed updated. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.